friends. Well, I already know that I got a bike, mountain bike. Been in my yard for about 10 years, and bought some stuff for it. Here's one of the things I bought for it. This is a portable toolkit. Yep, I got it from Walmart, and show you what's in it. Well, unzip it here. You got a tool to repair the chain, a chain tool. Let's see, let's pull it out here. It's kind of hard to get it out. Well, it repairs the chain. Handy little tool. If I can get it out, I'll show you what it looks like. Get this piece out. There we go. See? It takes the chain apart and it also puts it together. So I'm going to start putting it in like this. Upside down. Because that's harder to get out. Let's see. Got a portable pump. It does work a little bit. It'll get you by. It won't fix it. This is the other part of the chain tool. Patch kit. In case you have to patch a tube. Got some patches. Stuff for you to take the tire off. Tool. Then you got this thing. It's got sockets, Allen wrenches, everything there is to work on a bicycle. And you got a tool that works on the cables, and it's got little wrenches. See? And this works on the cable. Yep. It tells you all you got on there with a diagram. This is made by Huffy. It's kind of bent because I used the crap out of it. But it's a handy little kit when you have to do a repair when you're not at home. You're out there in the park or something like that riding a bike. That's what it's good for. And all of it just zipped right on it. And there you go. So it hangs on the handlebars. And in the earlier video we saw it hanging on the side. I didn't quite know where to put it at, but now I do. This hangs on the handlebars. So I'm not sponsored by them. It's just something I bought at Walmart. As like I said, if you like these videos, click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter.